These are the Sikorsky elevators at the Tampa International Airport in Tampa, Florida. What floor? Which one? 7.
Oh, that thing's heavy, I'll tell you.
We're gonna go to TJ Maxx and get you a different luggage.
Oh, are ya?
Yeah.
This hasn't been used for 25 years, 30 years.
You gotta be more with it.
I don't go anywhere.
I don't either anymore, but.
Short-term parking area, level 7.
Is that?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Good job.
Thank you. Okay, anyway, as you can see, the bank is closed at level 9, so we can only go up to 8.
Going up. Short-term parking area, level 8.
Yeah, this is the short-term garage. While we're up here, we're just gonna get a little look. You've got 6 cars on a bank, and you've got these little parking reminders. Oh, it's that one. And I like the bell. We're gonna listen to that one more time, actually. I've got a better idea. Nah, in second thought, I was gonna say send that one down a floor, but that one's on 7. So anyway, just watch this. Westinghouse bell. Anyway, that's Sikorsky. Let's go down to 1. I believe these were installed in 1971.
Going down.
And we're stopping at 3. I just got out of the elevator on 3 because of how busy they are. So we're gonna ride another one. We're gonna go up to 8. Again, 9 you can't get to. So let's just watch the indicator.
Going up. Short-term parking area, level 8.
And here we are at 8. So let's let's ring the bell. It only rang once though. We've got a Westinghouse interlock right there. And let's go to 1. Here's your directory.
Going down.
Here's your inspection certificate. Here we are at 1. You know what? Actually, on second thought, the doors are shutting. On second thought, let's just go up to 3. Or on third thought, let's go up to 8. One more ride, why not? Hopefully this is an uninterrupted ride.
Going up.
Oh, you can tell.
Short-term parking area, level 8.
You can tell the distance between floors is shorter with the garage levels. Now let's end it down at 3. Getting Westinghouse airlock. Same cab.
Going down.
are at 3.
Level 3. Shuttles to all planes, airport shops, restaurants, and hotels.
And that'll be it.